design, road design, road design.
Cars, trucks, SUVs, even diesel tags. Best mechanic on the planet, ain't no need to scratch. Every issue attack like a lion. Got a problem, indeed we'll find it. Pop the hood, we gon' get up inside it. Fix it up, start it up.
What's up, Team Road Design? We back. Midwest Mechanic Tour. Today I'm currently up working at one of my boys' shop out here in the Midwest, helping them out with some jobs, trying to get some jobs out. Right now I'm going to be diagnosing this 2008 Porsche Cheyenne. It came in for a lot of lights on the dash as well as road noise, but we weren't able to diagnose the road noise due to the fact that it has snow out here right now. We gotta wait for the ground to kind of clear up, but we are in the process of actually diagnosing all the lights that are on. As you guys can see, I got the snap-on scan tool hooked up right now to the 2009 Porsche Cheyenne 3.6 liter. We're about to go through the systems to find out what's actually going on here. Let y'all see the process of how we use this scan tool to actually diagnose the vehicles. So we're going to go to here to code scan right here. We're going to do a pre-scan, see what are the see what the results are, guys. Oh man, so it looks like he has quite a bit of codes. It's still scanning, as you can see. System analyzed only at 37% so far. Once it reaches 100%, we will be able to check out all of the codes here. So that's 75%. Still retrieving information, you guys. Hey man, by the way, I just want to say thank you guys for following and subscribing to the channel. Make sure you guys hit the like, the bell notification, leave a comment and share it. As well, if you guys want to support the Road to Zion team and support this channel, you guys can go get merch from the website, which are hats, various type of baseball caps, skull caps, shirts, hoodies, stickers. You guys can go to Road, ROAD, the number 2, Zion, ZION.com. That's all one word, roadtozion.com, to grab the merch to support the channel and support Road to Zion. You guys can also go and follow us on Instagram at Road to Zion _design. For some reason, my phone is being a little bit blurry, but there it goes, clearing back up. We're at 91% detecting, guys. Almost there. Get about 9% more till it retrieves all the information that we can actually go through to check all the codes for this 2009 Porsche Cheyenne. I don't believe that he will be getting the work done today. I think he just wants us to diagnose it and come up with a repair plan for him to bring the vehicle back in, so that way we can actually fix the issue at a later date. Due to the fact that he was coming in for the road noise and we were unable to actually test the vehicle for the road noise. We took it out, we couldn't hear anything due to it being snow out on the ground, which just came down today. So hopefully it clears up by Friday, so that way we can actually get in here and test everything out and then come up with a full repair plan to fix the noise problem as well as all the technical data issues. So we got a plethora of codes, guys. 17 codes have been detected. 8 engine management, but 17 overall. So we got a fuel, high pressure fuel sensor. You got a system 2 lean at idle, bank 2. System 2 lean at idle, bank 2, no signal. System 2 lean at idle, bank 1, exceeds limit value. System 2 lean at idle, bank 1, no signal. We also have a idler air control system, RPM higher than expected, exceeds limited value. We also have a tank system, very fine leak, exceeds limited value. Tank system, very fine leak, exceeds limited value. We got ABS code. We got one ABS code, hydraulic pump, airbags. No airbag codes, no gateway codes, no air conditioning code. 2 TPMS tire pressure monitor sensor, front right, calibration successful. No rear lid codes, no steering column switch codes, no vehicle electric codes, no wiper codes, chassis codes, trailer hitch codes, auto sensors, transmission, instrument cluster. We got one code, fuel level sensor, G open circuit, short circuit plus B. Driver's door lock feedback, passenger door lock feedback, right door lock feedback, right rear door lock feedback. No transfer case codes. OBD codes, we got 6. Manufacturer specific, evap system leak detector small leak, system 2 lean at idle bank 2, system 2 lean at idle bank 1. Idle control system RPM higher than exceeded. Evap system leak detect. No permanent codes. No misfires. No fuel system. Okay, cool. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back and we're going to clear the codes. We're going to try to see which ones are permanent codes, guys. Sorry for the footage being a little blurry. I am working on getting the rest of my recording equipment together so that way I can bring you guys better quality video for the content that I've been putting on the channel, man. Thanks for your guys' patience as we are growing this channel and trying to bring better projects, better repairs, better explanation of the repairs and the procedures, as well as bringing you guys better quality videos. Just, it's work, man. Y'all gotta bear with me. I'm a one-man crew, but the Most High has been blessing me and allowing me to, get everything together and level up on equipment and things for the business as we are expanding to YouTube and various other elements to the Road to Zion shop and the brand. But I really appreciate you guys, man, being patient with us and everything. As you can see, it's still in progress, clearing the codes. All codes have cleared, system 17 detected. Then we're going to rescan the vehicle to actually see if any codes pop back up. We're going to do a post scan.